Hello students, a very fresh morning to all of you. In our previous class, we have completed exercise 12.1 and today we will solve problems related to the applications of Heron's formula. So we will solve exercise 12.2 and all the questions related to it. Our question is, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in the figure. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in the figure. Find the total area of paper used. In this we have to find the total area of the paper used. So first let us see the picture of an aeroplane. So here the picture is divided into 5 parts. First part, second part, third part, fourth part and fifth part. We have to see the shape and according to the shape we will solve the numerical. So here we are seeing that these three are in triangular shape, this one is in rectangular shape and the other portion is in different shape. Is that okay? So we will solve all the figures and accordingly we will be able to calculate the value. So first let us take the first shape. So here we observe that the first shape is in the shape of an isosceles triangle. So here for solution part, the first shape is in the shape of an isosceles triangle. So here for first shape we have here A is equals to 5 centimeter, B is equals to 5 centimeter as it is in the shape of an isosceles triangle. The first portion of the aeroplane. So here that we have seen that it is in the shape of an isosceles triangle. So A is equals to 5, B is equals to 5 and C is equals to 1 centimeter. So we will find therefore S is equals to 5 plus 5 plus 1 by 2. That is equals to how much? 11 by 2. That is how much? 5.5 centimeter. After that, we have to find the area of portion 1. We will write area of portion 1. It's very simple. Area of portion 1. Just you tell what we will write. Portion 1 A is equals to root under S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So let us write what? 5.5 minus 5. Then we will write 5.5 minus second value is how much? B is how much? 5 again same and the third value is our 5.5 minus 1. So after calculating we got here 5.5. This 5.5 minus 5 it becomes how much? 0.5 into 0.5 into 4.5. Is that okay? So after calculating just you multiply in the rough I told you it becomes 6.1875. So the square root of this one is 2.5 centimeter square. Now you see the shape of second. So this is a rectangle. This second part is what? Rectangle. So we know that area of rectangle is equals to how much? Length into breadth. So let us write here about the area of second portion. Area of portion 2. So area of portion 2, directly we will write length into breadth. So 6.5 into 1, that is equals to how much? 6.5 centimeter square. No problem is here. Now see the third portion. Here the third portion, you are observing here the third portion is in the shape of a trapezium. So here I have arranged this shape, figure 3, like this. Is that okay? So here the hole is 2 centimeter. Here you are observing. So this is hole 2. So just I have drawn here perpendicular. After that I have divided this. So if hole is 2, this becomes 1 and this part becomes 1. Again this part is 1, this part is become half. So accordingly we will calculate. So we have seen the figure. Now we will find h. So therefore h is equals to how much? Root under 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. So this will becomes how much? 1 minus 1 by 4. So we can write h is equals to root under 3 by 2. 4 minus 4 1 ja 4 minus 1 root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 4 becomes how much? Root 3 by 2. So therefore area of portion 3. This we got, then we will find the area of portion 3. So area of trapezium is equals to what? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. So we will write area of portion 3 is equals to AB into H plus half into BC into H. So we will write 1 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus root 3 by 2. We will write 1 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus root 3 by 2. So this becomes how much? 1 plus 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So let us calculate. This becomes how much? 2 1 ja 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So this becomes 3 by 4 into root 3. So this is equals to how much? 3 by 4 into 1.73. You know the square that the value of root 3 is how much? 1.732. So after multiplying you will get 1.4 centimeter square. Now see, let us see the shape of the fourth figure. So fourth figure, area of right triangle, and here both are same. So find the area of figure fourth. So area of portion 4. Let us calculate the area of portion 4th. Area of portion 4th is in the shape of what? Right angle triangle. So 1 by 2 into base into altitude, that is 1.5 into 6. How much? 4.5 centimeter square. And area of figure 5 is same. We can say that area of figure 4 and figure 5 is same. So the area of portion 5 will be same. Area of portion 5 will be same, equals to 4.5 only. Is that okay? Now see, therefore our total area will be how much? Therefore our total area will be equals to how much? Just you add all the values. So total area is equals to, let us start from the beginning, 2.5 plus 6.5 plus 1.4 plus how much? 4.5 plus 4.5. So let us add this, 5, 10, 14, 19, and this becomes 4. So 19.4 centimeter square. See, after seeing the question, just you, as it is the application of this one, so don't get fear that oh my god, such a long question. Nothing is there. All the shapes is known to us. So after calculating the area of all the shapes, we will get the value. So this much for this class, and other problem we will solve in the next class. So thank you for today.